2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.